With Ecomdash, you can manage your product variants with parent and child SKU mapping. For example, if you're selling small, medium, and large blue t-shirts, you can create a parent product, for example, a blue t-shirt, to map together all of the different sizes. In this short video, we'll show you how it's done. To create a parent product with variations, navigate to Products, All Products. Select Add New Parent Product. Enter the product name and SKU number and then click Create. This new product will be used to group your variations so it won't have a quantity. Select Add Variation to assign individual child products to your parent product. For example, if you're selling those blue t-shirts from the previous example, the variations would be small blue t-shirt, medium blue t-shirt, and large blue t-shirt. Please note the child products must already exist as products in Ecomdash. In order to list a product with variations, you will first need to create a variation attribute and create options for the attribute. Select Add New Options, choose Add New, and then fill in option set name and option set value. For this example, the set name would be size and the set value type would be string. Once the attribute has been created, click the plus sign to add values. For this example, the values would be small, medium, and large. Once the variation attributes and options have been created, you can assign them to your products. Select Assign Options and choose the option set you created. Then, close the window and select the value from the drop-down provided that corresponds with your child products. Once you're finished, select Save.